What happens after the Peloponnesian War? Sparta allowed Athens to keep on going, didn't destroy them, didn't kill their men and sell their women into slavery, but they were no longer the cultural center because they lost their verve. That was the end of their ascendancy in Greece. We're talking about Athens here. We're talking about a polis who has lost this giant civil war, and now goodbye free speech. Politically, what happens after the Peloponnesian War is there is created a power vacuum. Now that Athens is out of the picture, now what? But now that Sparta is the winner, here's a problem. Politically, what are they going to do? They're going to turn the rest of Greece into a military state? That's not realistic. So how are they going to serve as a model for the rest of Greece politically? That's out of the picture. Economically, forget it. It's a military state. It's all the ruled and the rulers. And even worst of all, culturally, Sparta had nothing to offer to the rest of Greece, and they admitted it. But they said, okay, why should that matter? We're the ones who are in charge. Now we're the new Athens politically and economically and militarily. It didn't work out because of that lack of a cultural link between Sparta and the rest of Greece.